Good afternoon. This is Robert Coles with Quality Recovery Agency, LLC, and we are back again with another super excited update. So on last week, I made a video and I gave you an update that says that we had turned the deal in to the circuit court. That surplus deal was for $101,000. My friends, today I'm here to give you an update because the deal we turned in last week on Monday at 11 a.m., the attorney called me on Tuesday this week and said that he had the check already received in his mailbox. So I went over on Wednesday this week, which was 2 days ago. Well, it was 2 days ago. Picked the check up, took it to my bank, and went by and made sure that that it was good. It took 24 hours. It was a cashier's check that he paid me, and of course, 24 hours, the funds were paid out. That was my fastest surplus recovery payment to date, from Monday last week until getting a check in my hand on Wednesday this week, which is probably 7 business days. Is almost unheard of. This is the surplus recovery business. We never know what type of unexpected things will happen along our path, but I will say that we're extremely happy to get a super fast payout like this, and to understand that it does not happen every day. Take it for granted? Never. I will never take it for granted that all of our payouts will be this fast. So at this point, that's my update. We have one more surplus deal that we turned in the paperwork on last week. On Wednesday, when I saw the lawyer, I turned in another surplus deal, and we are waiting for him to submit that paperwork. I think he says he's going to be submitting it on the beginning of next week. So if all goes well, we should be receiving one more surplus deal check in the month of August 2024. Today is Thursday, July 25th. This is Robert Coles at Quality Recovery Agency, LLC, and we are truly, truly blessed. Have a great day.